Welcome to MusePrep, your channel for music theory. This new video series explores one of the most important building blocks of music: intervals. The Latin word intervallum means space in between. In music, an interval describes the distance between two pitches, whether they are played one after another or at the same time. In melodies, intervals follow one another in sequence. In harmonies, they are stacked vertically. You can also see this clearly in written music. Notes that sound together are written on top of each other. We name intervals according to their numerical distance: unison, second, third, fourth, and so on. An interval spanning 8 notes is called an octave, which you may already know from previous videos. But how exactly do you calculate the distance between two notes? Let's take G and C as an example. You always count the lower note as 1, then count each line and space up to the higher note. In this case, G, A, B, and C, 4 notes in total. That makes it a fourth. And what about E and B? Count E, F, G, A, and B, 5 notes, so it's a fifth. Here you can see all the intervals up to the octave, starting from middle C. A unison is simply the repetition of the same pitch, either in a melody or when two instruments play the same note together. When written as a chord in the same staff, the note heads are placed side by side. There are even more specific ways to classify intervals, which we'll explore in the next videos. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss what's coming next.